Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what HONOR offer for the earbuds, and if we open it we can check supported devices for this application. So we need to click at the plus and then click Add manually. And here's a list with available devices. So if this application available for these earbuds, we can see our model here. And our model is Earbuds X6, so you can find it, or you can use a search and write X6. Oh, and here we go, we have the application. We have these earbuds here in the application, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.